There's a phrase that sounds almost perfect: passive income. Make money without working, earn while you sleep, build once, and get paid forever. It sounds simple, almost too simple. And that's exactly the problem. Because the idea of passive income is everywhere, but the truth behind it is rarely explained. Most people discover passive income the same way: through videos, through posts, through stories of people earning online. And the message is always similar: you need just to set it up once. Let your money work for you. Escape the 9 to 5 job. So naturally, people start to believe that passive income is something quick, something easy, something that happens once you find the right method. But that expectation creates a gap between what people think passive income is and what it actually requires. What most people don't see is the beginning, because passive income is not passive in the beginning. It requires time, energy, focus, and often a lot of uncertainty. Before something becomes passive, it is very active, very involved, very demanding, and for a long time, it doesn't feel like it is working. This is the part that surprises people. The early pace of building passive income feels slow. You put in effort, you try different approaches, you learn, you adjust, but results don't come immediately. Sometimes weeks pass, sometimes months, and nothing significant happens. No big returns, no clear progress, just effort. And that's where many people stop. Not because it's impossible, but because it feels like it's not working. This is the reality of passive. The truth is, passive income is not truly passive. It is simply less active over time. It starts active, it becomes efficient, and eventually, it requires less effort to maintain. But it never starts that way. And that misunderstanding leads to frustration because people expect ease before they build the system. Passive income is not a shortcut, it's a system, a structure that allows income to continue even when effort is reduced. That system can be content, investments, digital products, skills that scale. But no matter the form, the principle is the same. You build something once, but maintain it over time. This is the emotional challenge. What makes passive income difficult is not just that work, it's the uncertainty. Because in the beginning, there's no guarantee, no clear timeline, no immediate reward. And that creates doubt. Is this worth it? Am I wasting my time? Should I stop? That emotional pressure is what most people don't talk about. This is the trade off. Passive income requires a different kind of trade. Instead of trading time for money daily, you trade time upfront for the possibility of future returns. And that requires patience because the reward is delayed, not immediate. The consistency factor. The people who succeed with passive income are not always the most talented. They are often the most consistent. They continue even when results are unclear. They improve slowly. They adjust their approach. And over time, their efforts begin to accumulate. At some point, something begins to change. Not suddenly, but gradually. Results starts appearing, small at first, then more consistent, then more predictable. And that's when the system begins to work. This is the real meaning of passive income. Passive income is not about doing nothing. It's about building something that continues, something that doesn't depend entirely on your time, something that grows, even when you are not actively working on it. The idea that passive income is easy is what makes it difficult because it sets the wrong expectation. And when reality doesn't match that expectation, people feel like they are failing, when in truth, they are just in the early stage. Passive income makes more sense over time, not days, not weeks, because the longer something runs, the more value it creates and the less effort it requires to maintain. Because in the end, passive income is not about escaping work, it's about changing how work is done from constant effort to structured effort, from short term results to long term systems. Because the truth about passive income, it's not that it's easy, it's that it's different. It doesn't follow the same rules most people are used to. It requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to keep building, even when nothing seems to be happening yet. Because in the end, it doesn't feel passive at all. It feels uncertain, slow, sometimes even frustrating. You put in the effort, but the results don't immediately follow. And that's the part most people don't expect. The part where progress is invisible, where growth is happening quietly. But you can't fully see it yet. And that's where many people stop. Not because it doesn't work, but because it doesn't feel like it's working. But for those who continue, something slowly begins to change. The system starts to take shape. The effort starts to compound. And what once felt heavy feels lighter as time goes on because of what you made begins to work with you. Not only because of what you do today, but because of what you did before. If you like talking about money, financial psychology, and the truth about how money grows, welcome to the Asian Broke Diary. This channel is not about getting money, it's about knowing how money really works, the work that went into it, the amount of time it takes, the kind of thinking it needs. Sometimes, the biggest change isn't discovering a simpler way to make money, but knowing what exactly takes to make things last and deciding to remain long enough to finally see it work.